Okay. Try that one. Okay. Same thing, yeah.
Didn't want to, huh? Okay. How about this? That's the one at Ashby.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
Looking for a blade. I've got to strike a blade for you.
I've got some in there anyway.
Okay. Okay. How about this? Now you wanna have a good time.
We got a solid there as well. On my arrow. It's a solid on it.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
So this one. Okay, hold it nicely that it doesn't slip through your hand. Okay. Not too bad, huh? Not
Huh?
too bad.
For a very much used broadhead.
Not too bad. Obviously the one that everybody would know is this one. Okay, there my friend.
Whereabouts?
There.
There.
Yeah. There. Okay. That's it. Okay, go. Good job. Yeah. I know you might find this silly, but if you use a skin, you can actually see that the two bladers that cut on contact works much better than any of the others. So the multiple blades like this, it's virtually impossible, even though it's very sharp. Although they were pretty clever with this design, they tried to make a little piece cut in contact, but I think it's too big. Okay. Okay. Yeah. It's quite sharp. So, but I mean, there's no substitute for excellent shot placement. Oh no, I'll show you a broadhead. Old school, old style. Ted Nugent, very sharp, two-blader, low poundage archers. That's the way to go. You'll see. Okay, just that. Yeah, just that.
Wow.
How easy did that go?
Wow.
Like butter, no?
Like a true butter. Like true
Cut
butter.
on contact, two-blader, super sharp, like butter. So if you're a low poundage archer, that's the way to go. Two-blader, cut on contact. That's it. That's the Coke bottle test. After the break we will be back.
Thank
After
you.
the Coke bottle test.